What if I told you that Affirm is hiring and will pay you up to $190,000 to work remotely from home anywhere in the world? Well, it's true. And I am going to break down the details of the job for you today. So get ready because this is a good one and you're not going to want to miss it. So, if this is your first time here, thank you so much for joining me. I'm Sharice and I help professionals like you land six-figure jobs and stand out with ease and confidence. And I welcome you. We have a good one today because Affirm is a remote first company and they have a position hiring up to $190,000. That is amazing. But I do want to let you know for a job like this, your everyday old tired resume is not going to cut it. You're going to need an ATS friendly, optimized resume to get through their systems and stand out from the crowd. But don't worry, I've got you covered. I'm going to tell you a little bit about my DIY resume kit and my one-on-one consultation and rewrite service a little bit later. So stick around because we're going to get into this job. So before we get into this position, I like to start out with a little bit of motivation and inspiration to get us going and keep us moving on our job search. Today's inspiration is opportunities don't happen, we create them. Yes, we have the power to go out and create the opportunities that we want, to find the job that we love and live out our dreams. So if you are ready and you want to see what this job has to offer, let's get down into it. So today's job is the title is Manager of Quality Assurance Customer Operations. So you may have heard of Affirm, you may have not, but they are reinventing credit to make it more honest and friendly, giving customers the flexibility to buy now and pay later without any hidden fees or compounding interest. So their customer operation teams, they're saying they're growing rapidly. So this is prime time to get in at Affirm now. They said they have a network of external providers and internal teams that need a top rate quality assurance and training and development culture that will keep up. The QA team sits with shared services, and this team is responsible for ensuring that their customer care, fraud operations, and merchant operation teams are providing the highest quality, most delightful experiences to their customers. You're going to be a key member and leader of the QA team and programs, and you will work with cross-functional partners such as operations, analytics, vendor partners, and their compliance teams in order to ensure their agents are providing a great overall customer experience and to develop and lead programmatic improvements. So from the jump, we can tell this is going to be an opportunity to collaborate and work cross-functionally with all kinds of different people and teams and departments. So this is a great opportunity. If you have great people skills, great collaboration skills, love working with different products, functions and different units, this is going to be a great opportunity for you. So let's dive down into what you will actually do. So you're going to provide strategic direction and program oversight to QA leads. You're going to drive quality assurance expansion and diversification efforts across portfolio work, drive planning and prioritization of projects, timelines, and resource allocations, oversee the delivery of quality standards and expectations. You're going to develop and leverage quality monitoring data to monitor the overall health of the program and to address key signals of performance gaps and risk mitigation. So this already, we can tell this is quintessential quality assurance work here. So if you have experience in quality assurance, you're definitely going to be able to take those skills and the experience you have gained in your previous roles, you're going to be able to tailor that here to your resume. So you're also going to identify programmatic and performance deficiencies, recommend corrective actions, and to drive completion. Develop action plans to reduce or eliminate root cause issues and improve operational performance. Leverage strong presentation and communication skills to lead conversations, both written and verbal, at all levels of the organization, internally and externally, to drive improvement across all QA metrics. So again, strong presentation skills, strong communication skills, those are going to be very important. And also these keywords, you can take them directly from this post and highlight them on your resume. You're also going to provide regular quality reports and trends analysis to senior leaderships and make recommendations. So you're going to be looking at the data and you're going to have to present and sell what the data is saying, how that translates into key insights and decisions that senior leadership can make. So again, these are also great keywords to use on your resume or experience you've had in the past. You're going to want to highlight how you have completed this before. So moving on down, continually improve the quality assurance programs across teams for both in-house and outsourced teams. Identify actionable insights and collaborate with products, process, and training teams in recommending opportunities for improvement. Consistently improve the customer experience across the key channels and products. Manage and maintain the quality assurance tool system of record and associated reports and outputs. Drive employee engagement and a high performance culture within the team, ensuring effective performance management, coaching, and development of team, and creating an environment where people can excel. So this is a great opportunity. If you love coaching, if you love developing people, if you love inspiring and motivating, you will be able to use those skills here. And also something you can highlight on your resume that you've done before, whether it is, in a capacity of work, or if you develop team outside of work through a hobby or a group or team you work with outside of work, you could also highlight that here to show that you have these skills and you can do this particular objective. And lastly, keep ahead of industry developments and apply best practices to areas of improvements. So what are they looking for? What kind of qualifications will you need here? So they're asking you for a minimum of 5 years of progressive experience within people management or people leadership positions in the fields of quality assurance, quality management, or analytics. Intermediate SQL and Excel and Google Sheet skills are going to be important. Prior experience working in financial services is a plus. It is not required, but it is a plus. Also, a strong understanding of QA principles, tools, and best practices. Experience building, scaling, and managing quality programs in a high growth and complex organization. Exceptional organization skills, ability to multitask. They want you to be customer centric with a passion for delivering the best customer experience. Problem solving skills, ability to apply sound judgment. These will also be important. And they want to make sure you can thrive in that should be fast or paced or maybe fast paced environment with constant change and rapidly growing team, and possess a positive attitude with excellent interpersonal skills and the ability to interact and build strong working relationships. So again, quintessential QA skills here that you can take from your previous roles and apply them here. Also, it's going to be important for you to highlight how you've worked in a team environment, how you've coached people, how you have interacted with upper level of and senior management before. Those are going to be key elements that you're going to want to highlight on your resume. And also, they want to make sure to let you know that you are willing to travel, up to 25% travel here. But again, Affirm is a remote-based company. They're a remote-first company, as they said on their careers page. So your primarily location of work is going to be anywhere you choose. It could be home, it could be wherever you choose to work. They are saying that you will have some travel, possibly to come into the office from time to time. So that's something to take note of. So moving on down, let's look at the pay range and the compensation package. So before we get into the numbers, employees new to Affirm typically come in at the start of the pay range. Affirm focuses on providing a simple and transparent pay structure, which is based on a variety of factors, including location, experience, and job-related skills. The base pay is part of the total package, which also includes equity rewards, which is great, monthly stipends for health, wellness, and tech spending, benefits, including 100% subsidized medical coverage, dental, and vision for you and your dependents. That is a big plus. 100% paid for your medical coverage. That is a great benefit. So let's look at this pay range. So they're saying if you live in California, Washington, New York, New Jersey, or Connecticut, your pay will range from $140,000 to $190,000. And if you live in any other state in the United States, your pay range is going to range from $124,000 to $174,000. So that is amazing. And they're telling you that you typically come in at the start of the range, but this is an opportunity for growth, somewhere you can build at and reach that highest point in their pay range. So again, if you like this position, have that quality assurance background, or have worked in quality assurance, or have done, this type of work as a part of another position, I encourage you to apply. And if you need help tailoring your resume to this specific position, I got you covered. I have my DIY resume kit linked below. And in that kit, you're going to get the template, not just for your resume, but also your cover letter and your reference pages. That kit also comes with a list of pre-written keywords, a list of power phrases you can use to highlight your job experience, and a list of additional phrases you can use throughout your resume. And you can take that kit and use this post, use the keywords out of this post and tailor it onto your resume. Secret here, that is how you get the position. That is how you get your resume noticed. If you're thinking, okay, Sharice, I have tried my resume, I have tried it on my own, haven't had no luck, I need more support, I got you. So I have a one-on-one resume consultation and rewrite session where we'll get on Zoom. We'll talk about your experience and everything you've accomplished, and I will professionally write your resume for you for this position. So you can make sure you stand out, you get noticed, and that you get the job. I want to thank you so much for being here. If you like this position and like to see jobs like this, please like this video. Also subscribe to my channel because I put out new jobs every single week. And in the comments, let me know what types of jobs you're looking for. How has your job search been going so far? And I will respond to you. So thank you so much for being here. I hope this has been helpful. Again, you have the power to make your opportunities come true. You have the power to choose the job you want, to apply for these jobs, to get out there and to live your dreams and find a job that works for you. So thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.